Hi, this is Mato. Welcome to my online chess lecture. In this video I will show you a game between Dunst and Samendankas. This lovely correspondence game was played in 1988. Dunst had white pieces and he started at knight to c3, going for the Dunst opening or one Geet opening. Knight to f6 and now g4, offering the pawn for free. Black to move. d5 was played. If knight takes on g4, then e4, and then if knight goes to f6, then e5 and white is indeed better. However, after e4, black can play d6, and black is okay. Back to our game. d5 was played. g5 attacking the knight. Black to move. Knight to g8 was played. d4 may lead to an interesting opening. One line goes like this. G takes on f6, d takes on c3, f takes on g7, c takes on d2 check, queen takes on d2, queen takes queen, bishop takes on d2, bishop takes on g7, and it is about equal. Back to our game. Knight to g8, and white is indeed standing better. d4, e6, bishop to g2, g6, bishop to f4, bishop to g7, knight to f3, black to move. Knight to c6 was played. Perhaps bishop to d7 should have been considered. But even then, after queen to d2 and h4, white is better. Back to our game. Knight to c6. It is white to move, and we have reached the critical position of the game. Please pause and find the best move for white. What did you find? Dunst played knight to b5, threatening knight takes on c7, check. Black to move. e5 was played. Knight takes on e5. Knight on g to e7. Well, knight takes on e5 would be a lesser evil. Then d takes on e5, and after a6, knight to c3. White is better, but the game would last longer. Knight on g to e7 is a bad move. Why? White played a move and black resigned, and the move is knight takes on c6. Black resigned in view of this continuation. Pawn takes knight, knight takes on c7 check, king to f8, knight takes rook. What did we learn from this game? I guess one of the things that we have learned is, if you see a silly looking opening, don't underestimate it. Treat every opening seriously. What do you think of this game? And that is all. I hope that you enjoyed watching this video. I wish you good luck with your chess, and bye for now.